Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use shape dividers in Wix. Shape dividers are a fantastic way to add visual interest to your website by creating smooth transitions between different sections. They can make your site look more polished and professional with just a few clicks. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. To begin, go to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. From here, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with different options. From this menu, go ahead and click on Website. This will take you to the specific website you want to work on. Now you'll see a preview of your website settings. Take a moment to make sure this is the correct website you want to add a shape divider to. It's always good to double-check before making changes, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. From this page, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to enter the editing mode for your website. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens and where you can customize every aspect of your site. Look for the Add Elements button located on the left navigation menu and click on it. This will open up a panel presenting all the elements you can use to customize your Wix website, from text boxes to images and more. From the Add Elements menu, scroll down and locate the Strips option and click on it. Strips are essentially horizontal sections that span the full width of your page, and they're perfect for creating visual separations. Once you add a strip to your page, you'll want to resize it to give it that divider effect. You can drag it to make it thicker or thinner depending on the look you're going for. As you work with the strip, you'll notice a shape divider icon located on its menu bar. Click on this icon to access the shape divider settings. From the shape divider settings panel, you can choose where the shape will start from, either the top or the bottom of your strip. This gives you flexibility in how your divider flows into the next section. Scroll down through the available options and choose the design you wish to use. Wix offers a variety of shapes, from waves to angles to more abstract designs. Once you've selected your preferred shape, click on Customize Design. This will direct you to a new window that lets you adjust the color and opacity of your shape divider. Play around with these settings until you achieve the look that matches your website's aesthetic. And that's it. You've successfully added a shape divider to your Wix website, creating a smooth and stylish transition between sections. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.